Isang magandang araw po sa ating lahat at ngayon parang sobrang napapasalamat na ako sa presensya ninyo lahat. Ang ginagawa natin ay nagpo-provide tayo ng mga events para magkaroon tayo ng database at malaman namin kung saan dito sa Luzon na Bacoor matatagpuan yung mga pinakamahuhusay na mga artist, mga malilikhang kabitenyo, mga malilikhang Bacoorenyo. At syempre, ma-inspire natin yung ibang mga kabataan o yung mga youth natin o kahit na sa ibang mga sektor pa.
The workshop that I took was photography, and overall it was a great experience kasi it wasn't a very like formal na session. It was more on like parang basic talaga nung naaral ko, which is photography, and I also got to work on with the camera, and I really appreciate this kind of projects kasi as a student po, hindi kami nagkakaroon ng a lot of opportunities to have workshops like this.
The workshop I participated in is of course in theater, and for the experience that I've had here with this workshop, it was short but it was fun. It was worthwhile. So I hope na darating na workshops for the next upcoming years or sa next generation ng performing arts group in Perpetual, ma-experience din lahat ng mga future students ng ganitong workshop, made it of theater, music, dance, poetry, photography, and so much more.
Gimmick at Tugma, brought to you by Bacoor Arts Community. Nasa pangalawa na tayong event ng Malikhaing Bacooreño 2024. Hindi po mangyayari ang mga ganitong event kundi po dahil sa pangunguna ng ating 24/7 Mayor Strike D. Revilla, Vice Mayor Rowena Bautista Mindiola, Mag Party List Congresswoman Lani Mercado Revilla, ang bubuo ng buong sangguniang panlunsod ng Tourism Head, Edwin dito, ang CIO family, ang Rotary Club of Bacoor, especially ang aking pamilya Titik Poetry. Lagi mong tatandaan na isa ka sa nagpapaganda sa maulan na kapaligiran. At kapag pakiramdam mo lahat ng nakapaligid sa'yo ay hindi nakangiti, ibigay mo ang pag-ibig kahit hindi hinihingi.